the way it impacts us. I had seen that this document was a good document in terms of where we want to be, where we are, and all those. But I thought we could have brought the Africa issue separately, because we will change too many of these, or keep arguing about too many of these points.
Now you want to bring in the African perspective, separate of this?
We didn't come here to discuss the African perspective.
Madam Chair, just bringing us down to my earlier statement. Let's have our issues. Yeah. They will not talk of where we just need one.
No, we have.
Is that all? Are we done?
Madam Chair.
Okay, we are going to the third paragraph, please. I think third paragraph.
Third paragraph. Recognizing that climate change is one of the most urgent human security and development changes of our time. Challenges of our time, and indiscriminately affects people the world over, but has the will and will to continue to have. But I'm not very clear there.
No, we'll continue to have.
Continue.
We are not ready.
The words are very small.
Do you have the
That's okay.
new one?
I think so. Let me go through it again. Recognizing that climate change is one of the most urgent human security and development changes of our time.
Challenges
Challenges of our time, and indiscriminately affects people the world over, but has and will continue to have particularly devastating impacts on the poorest population.
Yes.
Okay,
That's
continue.
correct.
That's right.
That's right. So let's go ahead.
Highlighting that women make up the vast majority of the world's most impoverished and face unequal access to resources, land rights, credit, and insurance systems, and decision-making power.
Correct.
Correct.
And recalling that the 2007 Human Development Report states that climate risk and vulnerabilities intersect with gender inequality and inequity, exhibiting poor women's historical disadvantages and already fragile lives and livelihoods.
Correct.
And acknowledging that rural women play a key role in agriculture, forestry, fishing, and all natural resource management sectors of most developing countries, and are therefore highly exposed to the risks that come with unpredictable rainfall, flooding, droughts, storms, and erratic temperatures.
Correct.
Excuse me, I see something missing in this paragraph. Talking about agriculture, forestry, fishing, but I think that the African women, particularly in rural areas, have also a medicinal responsibility. Health. That particularly where you find people depending not on Western medicine and hospitals, but on herbs and herbal medicine and so on. These floods and climate change, the fires you're talking about, women are finding it increasingly difficult to find the traditional medicine that their communities depended on, which traditional medicine, particularly herbal medicine, is mainly carried out by women. I think we could add medical here. Health. Something to do with health
Services.
Just to let you know, the hospitals group added health.
Excuse me?
The hospitals group, when they were reviewing it, they added health.
Yes.
So we can just add
Health.
We add what?
health.
So is that agreed?
Yes.
You can only put up your hand if you're going to say otherwise. Yes?
I'm just looking at this and wondering, probably there will be another clause, but if agriculture does not encompass livestock, then there is a group that we will be leaving out. Of course, this is about gender. So even in the communities that heavily rely on livestock, probably we are missing them out. So I don't know how we can frame it properly.
Yeah. In many countries, of course, livestock is considered agricultural livestock. But I think considering the plight of women pastoralists, women whose communities depend on animals for survival, particularly in the African region, the sub-Saharan region, the Sahel region, the East African region, I think livestock would be a good addition, in my view, to emphasize it. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah? So we add health
Livestock.
and livestock.
Yes, beekeeping.
Livestock.
And then
Livestock.
It's an agriculture.
A bee is an
In the forest. The forest one.
So we have added livestock, we have added health.
Can we say erosion
Tourism.
Livestock, it's not part of agriculture.
Tourism.
In some countries.
It's all about forest.
Tourism is not a woman's problem. Tourism.
we handcraft.
So what are we at?
Yeah.
I said erosion. If we can say it applies. It's only erosion.
But the rainfall is there.
The context is wrong for erosion. Just read it again, please.
Livestock. and-
We are talking about sectors.
Yeah.
Production here.
Yeah. I speak about the sectors, forestry and and then tourism, because the tourism is the sector generate the income for the human in the handcraft.
We need someone to support that. I don't see it clear as
I don't see it coming in the rural woman with the tourism.
in this particular context. Let's read on. We might find way to do that.
But in my country, my ministry